Haribo.
ये
Can you increase the volume? More John.
प्रभु
This is maximum. Give echo effect. Haribo. Haribo. Shri Narasimhadev Bhagwan ki. Till everyone comes, we'll stand here only and do kirtan. Deepesh and his mother should come. They are the latest people. We'll wait. Let us give a loud Hari Bol to Praveen and Sujay for bringing the life for this trip by bringing the mic. Okay. We will sing Narasimha Kirtan, joining, praying to Jwala Narasimha Dev. We will sing the Darshanarthi Narasimha Kirtan. Shri Narasimha, Jai Narasimha, Jai Jai Narasimha. Shri Narasimha, Jai Narasimha, Jai Jai Narasimha. Prahladisha, Jaya Padma, Mukha Padma Bhringa. Prahladisha, Jaya Padma, Mukha Padma Bhringa. Tava Kara Kamala Hare Lakha Madhva Shringa. Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tanubhringa. Jaya Keshavadhita Narahari Jaya Jagadisha Jaya Jagadisha Jaya Jagadisha Hare. You can all turn towards Jwala Narasimha.
Adbhuta Shringa Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tanubhringa Jaya Keshavadhita Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha
Keshavadhita Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Keshavadhita Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare
Don't block the head. Jaya Keshavadhita Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Jaya Narasimha Dev, Narasimha Dev, Narasimha Dev, Jaya Narasimha Dev. Jaya Jwala Narasimha, Jaya Jwala Narasimha, Jwala Narasimha, Jaya Jwala Narasimha. Jaya Bhakta Vatsala, Jaya प्रहलाद महाराज, प्रहलाद महाराज, प्रहलाद महाराज, जय भक्ता प्रहलाद। जय जय प्रभुपाद, 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 प्रभुपाद। जय जय गुरुदेव प्रभुपाद, गुरुदेव प्रभुपाद। श्री ज्वाला नरसिंहदेव की भक्तराज प्रहलाद महाराज की श्री प्रभुपाद की। So Jwala Narasimha is the first among the 9 Narasimha forms in Ahobila. Jwala means fiery. The Lord appeared from the pillar and he was in a very, very angry mood. His face was so angry, it was resembling fire. That is why this form of the Lord is called Jwala Narasimha. According to the Brahmanda Purana, this Ahobilam was actually the capital city of Hiranyakashipu. This entire Ahobilam, this was the palace of Hiranyakashipu, and we know Lord Narasimhadev appeared from one of the pillars in the palace of Hiranyakashipu. That pillar is this Ugra Stambha. On my right side, if you go little straight, like this, and on the right there is Ugra Stambha. It is also called Ukku Stambha. Ukku in Telugu and Kannada means steel. Stambha, pillar of steel. So it is very steep. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, during his South Indian tour, he visited this Ahobilam Kshetra. He went all the way up to the top of Ugra Stambha. And when we go on the top, we can see the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the footprints of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu on the top. So Aho means wonder, Bilam means cave. So this Ahobilam means it's a wonderful cave or wonderful cave temples of Lord Narasimha. We just now had darshan of one of such cave temples, and in the Jwala Narasimha cave temple which we had darshan just now, in the center we had Ashtabhuja Narasimha Swami, 8-handed Lord Narasimha seated on Garuda Pitha, and he was sitting and Hiranyakashipu demon was on his lap. The Lord with 2 hands, he was bifurcating, tearing apart the chest of Hiranyakashipu. With another set of 2 hands, he was holding the head and leg of Hiranyakashipu so that he will not run away. And in another 2 hands, he was holding Shankha and Chakra. And in another 2 hands, he was garlanding himself with the intestines of Hiranyakashipu. This is the description of the deity whom we saw. Very ferocious form. And towards the left of that deity, we saw another deity carved. These are all Swayambhu deities. And that deity was the Lord Narasimha Deva coming out of the pillar, jumped out of the pillar. That is the form. On the right hand side of Ashtabhuja Narasimha, there was another deity where Hiranyakashipu was fighting with Lord Narasimha. Lord Narasimha and Hiranyakashipu were fighting with each other. Next to that was the deity of Shukracharya, the spiritual master of the Danavas, the Daityas. And the last one, when we are facing the altar, towards the right extreme, we had the deity of Lord Narayana. The Lord, after being pacified by Prahlada Maharaja's prayers, the Lord came to Shanta Swarupa as Narayana, and he gave darshan to all the devatas. So these are the different deities. How many deities totally? five deities we saw. The center was Ashtabhuja Narasimha. On its left was the Lord coming out of the pillar. On the right side of Ashtabhuja Narasimha was Lord fighting with Hiranyakashipu. And next to that was Shukracharya's deity and Shanta Narayana, Lord Narayana's deity. So these are the forms. And each of these Nava Narasimhas, they are the controlling deities of Navagrahas. There are 9 planets, isn't it? And each Nava Narasimha is the controlling deity of one of the 9 grahas. So this Jwala Narasimha is the controller of Kujagraha, Mangala Graha. So those who have Mangala Dosha in their horoscope, if they have darshan of this Jwala Narasimha and offer prayers to Jwala Narasimha, their Mangal Dosha will be gone. Actually, we don't worship the Lord to become free from this dosha, that dosha. Simply by rendering service to Lord Narasimha, remembering, chanting his holy names, Ashesha Janma Papa will be destroyed. So it is not one by one installment dosha nivarana. That is not our program. Krishna consciousness is wholesale program. So it is a wholesale washing away of all the sins, all the doshas. Simply by chanting the holy names, all auspiciousness will come. Yannama shruti matrena puman bhavati nirmalaha. Simply by chanting the Lord's holy names, we can become free from all kinds of contaminations, all kinds of obstacles, difficulties, challenges, problems, doshas. Everything will be cured, everything will be destroyed simply by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
So this is the one-stop solution to all problems. Wholesale problem solution is this Hare Krishna Mahamantra chanting. So we all had darshan of Jwala Narasimha. Shri Jwala Narasimha Dev Bhagwan ki Jai. So next we will go down. We will have darshan of Malola Narasimha. Ma means Mahalakshmi. Lola means the husband of Mahalakshmi, the Lord of Mahalakshmi. We will be having his darshan. And next to that temple, there is Prahalad Maharaj school. Okay, Prahalad Maharaj Gurukul. We know that Hiranyakashipu had put his son in the Gurukul of Shanda and Amarka, isn't it? And they tried so many ways to make him first-class demon. But he was already first-class pure devotee. So how he will subscribe to their demoniac syllabus? So he said this syllabus is wrong. So in the break time, he had his own syllabus. And he was teaching all the students, his classmates, the demons. He was telling that, why don't you chant Hare Krishna? Human life is very rare. So after getting human life, if you don't become Krishna conscious, your life is wasted. Don't listen to this demoniac philosophy. Become Krishna conscious. Like this he was preaching. He was making them chant. So that place we will see where Prahalad Maharaj was preaching to his demoniac schoolmates. And also we will see on the walls, Prahalad Maharaj used to carve Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, this mantra which he had received from Narad Muni. He used to carve right on the walls. It is visible now also. There is a cave temple there also where Lord Narasimha is present. Sudarshana deity is also present. We will have darshan. So all this, and also the place from where the servants of Hiranyakashipu pushed Prahalad from the top of mountain cliff. That place also is there. We will see that. So these are all the specialities. There we will go and see Malola Lakshmi Narasimha. Okay. So I request all of you, we are in the Ahobilam Kshetra where Prahalad Maharaj performed Navavida Bhakti, especially Smaranam, chanting the holy names, always remembering the Lord. So let us follow in the footsteps of Prahalad Maharaj and at least minimum 16 rounds of Hare Krishna mantra we should chant today and tomorrow. In holy places like this, chanting one round is equivalent to chanting 1,000 rounds.
Hari Bol.
So we should chant more and more and make the best use of this opportunity. Let us not waste time by talking some Gramya Katha, some material topics. Let us all keep chanting. When we were walking, on the way you saw, if you are little careless, if you are not carefully walking, Nazar hati, Durghatana ghati. Isn't it? It was like that, no? When you are walking, especially in that water, so many pebbles, so many sharp stones and all. So, what is the lesson Narasimha Deva is trying to teach us? We should be very, very careful in our spiritual life. Isn't it? So, we should be very careful. And the best way to remain careful is to always chant Hare Krishna. So, let us make the best use of this opportunity. Chant more and more in the Dham. Attract the mercy of Lord Narasimha. Shri Narasimha Dev Bhagwan ki Jai. For some time we will chant, we will do Kirtan and go together. Has Deepesh and his mother come? Deepesh Joshi. Not yet come. Okay, they will come slowly. Let us go. Hari Bol. First, Ishan Abhinav. Today is Ishan Abhinav's birthday. So he's so fortunate to celebrate his birthday in the holy dham of Ahobilam in the association of devotees. Let us all chant 3 times Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Ishan has not been so regular of late. Earlier he was staying in folk residency, but due to so many twists and turns, so many changes, so he has gone away from the association of devotees. So let us all chant 3 times Hare Krishna mantra here in Ahobilam with heart, wholeheartedly, praying to Prahlad Maharaj and Narasimha Deva to bestow spiritual intelligence upon this soul, Ishan Abhinav, so that he will come back to our association of devotees in folk more regularly, and he will also chant Hare Krishna mantra every day. So let us all chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Kirtan team, be with me. Kartal Mridanga.